Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make this high speed laser beam animation in Blender. This is very simple tutorial as always. So let's start this tutorial with new scene. This is default scene. So press A to select all the default scene, then press delete key to delete it. Now press shift A under mesh, select plane, then switch to edit mode, press R, then Y, then 90 degree to rotate on y-axis. Now press 3 for right orthography view. Then right click and select here subdivide. Expand this subdivision option and increase number of cuts, that is 5. Okay. Now select this vertex, then holding shift select this vertex, then press shift control plus to select vertex like this. Now click on this object data properties. Then under this vertex group, click on this plus icon. Then click on this assign. Again, select on this vertex, holding shift, select on this vertex, then press shift control plus. Okay. Now under this vertex group option, click on this plus icon and click on this assign. Now select this vertex, holding shift, then select this vertex, then press shift control plus. Now click on this plus icon under vertex group, then click on this assign. Okay. Now switch to object mode. Press shift A under this curve, select Bezier curve. Now press 7 for top view. Then press G, then X to move on X axis. Then switch to edit mode. Now press V and select here vector. Okay. Now scale it on X axis. So press S, then X and scale little bit like this. Okay. Now press Ctrl A and apply here scale. Then under this object data properties, under this geometry, under this bevel option, increase depth value. Okay. Now switch to edit mode, then select this vertex, right click and select here radius and decrease its radius little bit like this. Now switch to object mode, then click on this object option. Under this convert to, select here mesh from curve, meta and surface text. Okay. Now we have to duplicate it 3 times. So press shift D, then Z to duplicate on Z axis. To repeat one step, then press shift R. Okay. Now we have to assign material on this mesh. You can give any color which you want. So turn on this material preview mode. Then under this material properties option, click on this plus icon, then click on this new, change surface type into emission, then change any color which you want. Also increase strength value. Now select this, then click on this icon, then select here material 0.001, then click on this copy icon, change any color which you want. Now again select this mesh, click on this icon, select any material which you want, then click on this copy option and change its color. Now also click on this render properties option, enable bloom, and under this color management, under this look option, change from none and select here high contrast. Then click on this wall properties option, decrease its background. Okay, now we have to add particle system on this plane. So select this plane, then click on this particle properties, then click on this plus icon. Okay, and we have to make three particle system because we have created three vertex group. So again click on this plus icon, then click on this plus icon. Now select first particle system, and under this source we have to select watts. Okay, under this render option, change render as object, picker icon, then select here first mesh. Okay, now also enable this object orientation. Now we have to also change its scale value, that is zero point 0.5, and also scale random value, that is also zero point 0.5. Then under this vertex group, select here first group. Okay, now select this particle system second, then also change its source from face, then select here vertex, and under this render option select as object, then also select second mesh, and also change its scale value, that is zero point 0.5, and also scale randomize value, that is zero point 0.5. Okay, now under this viewport display, under this vertex group, select group 0.001. Now select third particle systems, and we have to repeat same process as above. So under this source, select your vertex, under this render, select your render as object, then click on the speaker and select third mesh. Also change its scale value, that is zero point 0.5, and also change its scale randomize value, that is 0.5. Okay, now under this vertex group, select group 0.002. One thing we have to also enable, that object rotation, and also select second particle systems and also enable this object rotation. Now when you press spacebar, then it looks like this. So we have to add force field. Okay, so press shift A, under this force field select your wind. Okay, now press R to rotate like this. Now press G, then X. Now select this yellow arrow and drag like this. Now click on this physics properties and change its strength and give its value 100. Now press space bar, and it is like this type of animation. Okay, now press R to adjust like this. Okay, now we have to also add second force field. So press shift A, under this force field select here turbulence. Now press G, then X to move on X axis, and also change its strength value, that is 25. Now press space bar to play this animation. Okay, now change its end frame value, that is 200, then add camera. So press shift A and click on this camera, then find your best scene like this. Now select this camera, then press alt control 0, then press N, under this view lock to camera. Now you can adjust from here like this. Now under this output, select your output folder, then change here format and select here ffmpeg video, then click on this render and select here render animation. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.